In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom portrait website using Lovable. Whether you're an artist looking to showcase your portfolio or just someone eager to learn more about creating websites, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. To begin, head over to the website lovable.dev. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, sign in or create an account if you haven't already. It's quite straightforward and should only take a minute or two. Once you've logged in, you'll notice an option to create an AI website project. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a text box will appear on your screen, and this is where the fun begins. This text box is where you write your prompt for the Lovable AI. Think of it as giving instructions to a very talented assistant who will bring your website vision to life. When you're crafting this prompt, make sure to be detailed and clear. For example, you might write something like, create a modern portfolio website for a portrait artist named Your Name. Specify that you'd like a clean and elegant design. You can mention preferences like soft gradients and a minimalist layout. You might want to include a hero section with a large portrait image, a photo gallery, an about section, client testimonials, and a contact form. Don't forget finer details like adding subtle scroll animations and smooth transitions. You can also suggest a color palette using shades like beige, white, and charcoal to give your website a professional fine art aesthetic. Once you're happy with the prompt, the next step is to click on the Generate button. This is where Lovable's AI takes your instructions and creates a draft of your website. It's always exciting to see the results pop up. After the AI has done its part, it's time to add your own personal touch. You'll want to add your portrait images to the site. This makes it truly yours and personalizes the overall feel. Make sure the images are of high quality to best represent your work. Think about including a gallery or portfolio section. This part of the website is essential for showcasing a collection of your best and most inspiring pieces. You can organize it the way you like, perhaps by style, medium, or chronologically. Next, it's time for a bit of customization. Here, you'll replace generic titles like Welcome with your artist name or studio, infusing your unique brand into the website. Don't overlook the importance of a contact or booking page. This is vital for visitors who are interested in reaching out to you for commissions or inquiries. Make it easy and intuitive for them to get in touch. Finally, before you go live, make sure to preview your website. This is your chance to spot any mistakes or make final tweaks. Once you're satisfied, save your work and hit publish. Your custom portrait website is ready for the world to see. Congratulations on creating a digital space that's both beautiful and functional.